Happy Tuesday! I hope the sun is shining where you are and I hope that you're feeling good this morning. Let's have a look at our spelling rule. Okay children, so we are adding ed to the ends of words with one syllable. And can you remember what a syllable is, children? That's right, it's a beat in a word. In the word spelling, two syllables. In the word shed, we have one syllable, shed. Okay, so we're thinking about adding ed to words of one syllable. The last letter is doubled when we do this to keep the short vowel sound. Now these are the one syllable words we were thinking about, the root words pat, hum, drop, clap, clip, rap, nap, rip, drum and drag. These are all words with one beat, aren't they? With a last letter that we then double and add ed to get our spelling words. Okay, so let's read our words together to start with. Patted, hummed, dropped, clapped, clipped, rapped, napped, ripped, drummed and dragged. And you might notice that some of these words, rapped, clipped, clapped, have ed on the end, but what do they sound like on the end of those words? Clapped, clipped, rapped. That's right, it sounds like a t, doesn't it? And so sometimes children can write those words with a t on the end, but now we know that it's not a t, is it? It's an ed on the ends of those words. Okay? Well done. So today's task is this. We've got some sentences with some blanks in them, okay? And we need to choose the correct word from our spelling list to fill in the blank, okay? Let's read the sentences that we've got together. The boy, the horse on the neck. The girl, her pencil on the floor. The present was in gold paper and had a bow. All of the babies in the nursery for an hour. The tyre popped on my bike, so I it all the way home. Okay, so in the blank here fits one of these spelling words rather. Okay, and I would like you children to write out the whole sentence and put your word in it. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Let's just look at the first two sentences together. The boy, the horse on the head, full stop. And you can see, children, that I have used our handwriting paper that you can find on Dojo if you want to. And if you've got a printer, that would be brilliant. Or if not, you can just take some paper and draw the lines on, okay? Or use a lined exercise book, that's fine as well. So remembering that we are writing on the grey lines and we are reaching our short letters up to the first blue line, and any tall letters or capital letters up to the second blue line. Okay, that's how we're using our handwriting paper, isn't it? So once you have written your sentence really, really beautifully with finger spaces and full stops and thinking about where you're sitting your letters on the paper and on the lines, then we're going to think about what this missing word is. The boy patted the horse on the head. That would work, wouldn't it? What about this one? Should we just check a few more? The boy hummed the horse on the head. No, that doesn't make sense. The boy dropped the horse on the head. Oh, I hope not. That wouldn't be very good, would it? The boy clapped the horse on the head. Again, that would not be kind. The boy clipped the horse on the head. Another unkind sentence. I don't think so. The boy rapped the horse on the head. No, I don't think so. The boy napped the horse on the head. Nope. The boy ripped the horse on the head. No. The boy drummed the horse on the head. Or the boy dragged the horse on the head. Which one do you think fits the best? That's right, I think it's patted. We could have had a few more that do make sense. We could have had dropped or clapped or clipped, but those ones are a little bit unkind, aren't they? So I'm going to go for patted. When I write that word, children, again, I'm going to be thinking about where my letters are sitting. So I'm sitting my tummies on the line. P. Tall letters are coming up to the second blue line. And then if I need to cross my T's, that's going to happen on the first blue line. So the cross is the same height as any short letters I have. Okay, let's read that sentence and see if it makes sense. The boy patted the horse on the head. Full stop. I like that. Let's look at this second sentence together. The girl her pencil on the floor. Okay, so we've done patted. We're not going to have patted because we've got it in this sentence. Let's try this word. The girl hummed her pencil on the floor. Doesn't make sense, does it? The girl dropped her pencil on the floor. Full stop. What do you think? I think you're right. Sometimes I drop my pencil on the floor. And again, I'm thinking about the placement of my letters. Okay. Short and tall letters on my paper. The girl dropped her pencil on the floor. Full stop. Okay, so I'm going to show you now those sentences again, and I'd like you to write the whole sentence out and fill in the blanks. Okay, when you've had a go at that, you can come back and check to see which words went in which sentences. Okay, so pause now and write your sentences. Come back in a while. Okay, here we go. The boy patted the horse on the neck. Well done, tickle fix. The girl dropped her pencil on the floor. The present was wrapped in gold paper and had a bow. Full stop. I like that sentence because it's using and to join two clauses together, isn't it? All of the babies napped in the nursery for an hour. Tickle fix. The tyre popped on my bike, so I dragged it all the way home. Full stop. Tickle fix. Okay, really well done for thinking about the placement of your letters and writing those sentences oh so carefully. See you tomorrow.